Hey guys, welcome to our newest listing at Young and Shepherd. Come take a look. This condo in North York is a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 1 parking space, and is approximately 700 square feet of comfortable, spacious, bright living space. And if you see here, the bedrooms are very spacious. And also, if you look out into the balcony, check this out. It's an amazing unobstructed views of North York. It has very low maintenance fee, and what you get with that is great amenities like the exercise room, indoor pool, party rooms, and games rooms, and more.